Hello guys, welcome to Codecrafters, and in this video we are going to get to introduction part of classes and objects and try solving a problem in class and objects to understand the concepts. Okay, so let's create a new file. Let's say new class .java, some random name. Okay. Yeah, so in Java you have already seen we always create a class called public class, the file name, and then you create a main function inside it. So there's a rule in Java that a Java program can contain only one public class and one main function. All the other classes, there can be any number of classes, any number of objects. So all the other classes should always start with the name class, not with an access specifier. So it should just start with the class. So Java can only have one public class and inside that only one main function. Okay, and inside that main function you have to call all the other classes and methods for the program to run successfully. As you already know, Java is a object-oriented programming language. Entire language consists of class and objects. So we'll get started. So let's say we have a class like this and we have the main function also, public static void main string args. So let's just keep this aside, and now we will create a normal class. Let's say our class name is okay, animal. That's something which is really basics and everyone goes with the class name animal. So yeah, inside the class you are going to, a class can have two things. One is member functions, another one is data members. Okay, so member functions like methods. So let's say we have two data variables here. One is of the integer type, the other one is of the string type. So let's say we have a name for the animal. So string name. And now let's consider the age of the animal, int age. Okay, so we have two data members right here. And now let's create a function or a method as in the member function for a class. Let's create you know how to create a function. The function starts with the data type and then the function name and everything, right? So void, let's say our function, and we're not going to have any parameters here right now. We are just going to create a function, and inside the function let's print a statement like system.out.println our first class and objects program. It's not necessary, it's just for our own reference. Okay, now let's actually use the name and age here. System.out, we are just declaring the name and age. We're not given a value, assigned any value to it. We will do that by using objects in the main method. Okay, system.out.println my animal or pet name is, we are just going to concatenate everything, name, and it's age years old. Okay, so we're going to do this. Yeah, so what we did here, we created two data members, that's name and age. Of one is of the string data type and other one is of the integer data type, and we created a function, and inside the function we are just printing a normal statement, and after the normal statement we are printing all the concatenation by using this name and age. Okay, now inside the main function we are going to create an object. So we need to create an object of which class? We have to create the object of the animal class, right? So let's say animal, and the syntax for creating an object is you have to use the class name first, then a variable for the object name. So let's say a is a simple thing, is equal to, new is the keyword for creating a new object, and then again you will call the same class and open a parenthesis and just leave it open, I mean without anything inside. Yeah, so you have created an object of this animal class. Now, with using this object, you can access the members and the member functions of the class. So we have only two members here, that's name and age, and we have one function here, that's our func, right? So let's A, or you can get the name and age values through scanner class also. But right now, I'm just going to declare, initialize this right here. A dot name is equal to, let's say, cat, and a dot age is equal to, let's say, 5. We have given the values for name and age. Now let's call the function a dot our func. As there is no parameters inside the function, we are just going to give an empty parenthesis. That's it actually. That's how you write a class and objects program in Java. Let's try running this program. Yeah, you got the first sentence that we are printing here, our first class and objects program. Then you got my animal or pet name is cat and it's 5 years old. Though in the function we just only gave the variable name, but the actual value is given in the main function. So it's accessing the value and printing it in the program. I hope you understood this. It's a basic video for class and objects program, and the rest lectures will come across how to create method functions and everything more detail. Thank you.